Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. Introducing the DEWALT DCF620D2K-QW Brushless Drywall Screwdriver, your ultimate partner for efficient drywall fitting. This powerhouse boasts a staggering 4,400 revolutions per minute brushless motor, driving screws like a champ. It's lightweight and compact, perfect for those tight spaces. No more fumbling with screws. The quick-release collated screw magazine makes board fitting a breeze, while the tool-free depth control ensures precision every time. Need to work in dim areas? The built-in LED work light has got you covered. And with the 2.0 CA high-capacity battery pack, you'll enjoy extended runtime and compatibility with other 18V XR tools. Comfort during long projects? Absolutely. The trigger lock-on feature is designed just for that. Get ready to elevate your drywall game with the DEWALT DCF620D2K-QW Brushless Drywall Screwdriver. No job is too big. Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.